Looking at Germany in regards to Industry 4.0, it comes from the culture of Germany that it's very machine-oriented, very based on technology. There's a long engineering culture in Germany. But a weakness in that development and moving forward, the whole way to Industry 4.0 implementation, is the human side of it. And that's where Denmark comes in and plays an important role, because with our human-centered design, the way we approach people involvement in our development and designs and production line is exactly what Germany is looking for right now.
Korea's fantastic economic development is built on manufacturing. This means that nowadays the Korean government has also a vast focus on the Industry 4.0 agenda. The ambition is to, on a yearly basis, convert 1,500 factories into smart manufactories. The aim is that by 2020, 10,000 Korean companies would be converted into smart manufacturers. The interesting thing for the Danish community is that these smart manufacturers are SME companies. And because of the Danish business structure and because of what Danish business integrators are used to work with, this opens up for a big potential for working together with Korean companies. Korea is also a society of 50 million people. It is 10 times the size of Denmark. So it's actually a pretty sizable market for a Danish company to use as a hub into Asia.
When Brazilian manufacturing companies are asked to point to the barriers of Industry 4.0 technologies, the first is the relatively high cost of implementation, so the high cost of technologies, and that in relation to the perceived lack of skills. So this is something to be aware of when approaching Brazilian manufacturing industry. The arrow points to new creative business models, taking into account that these are the concerns of the companies and the industries.
Nowhere globally will Industry 4.0 have greater impact nor provide bigger opportunities or challenges than in China, known for being the factory of the world, consisting of more than 150 million unskilled factory workers. Manual labor is really taking a large proportion of the current way of manufacturing, and there's a big concern from the Chinese government side how unskilled factory workers will be unemployed and replaced by high degree of automation and fully automated production lines. This opened up new opportunities within Danish strongholds. For instance, collaborative robots for increased productivity in the collaboration between robot and factory workers and not replacements. This may be a stronghold that Denmark is exceptionally good positioned to utilize in China.